Welcome to Technolearn Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the sum function. Sum is as an Excel function to sum the numeric values within the given range. This is the syntax for the sum function. In the sum function, we can provide single or multiple ranges. It's very important to note that the sum function can handle up to 255 individuals arguments. Let's understand the sum function with an example. In this example, we will find the total sales of all the products. Let's understand the sum function with a practical example. In this example, we will find the sum of sales of all the products. So first, select the cell where we would like to apply the sum function. After that, press equal sign. Then type sum. Select the sum function. Now we need to provide the range. So I will select the sale range. Once my range is selected, then I will close the bracket and hit enter. And we can see that the sum function has calculated the sum of total sales. This is how we have demonstrated that how the sum function works. Thanks for watching this video.